wanted to do a quick product review and sales alert. I've had these Braun flashlights for probably a year or 2 years. My brother got it for me for Christmas. As you can see, 3 different settings. Last for a good long time. Believe this is a micro C charging, built-in charging. What's nice about these also, they use a fairly standard battery pack, 18650. So you could conceivably get some batteries off the market for them. I have had no trouble with mine. These things will last in the low, it says, up to 11 hours, 39 minutes. I know I've worked on vehicles with these things. These are great because they're magnetic. You can hook them right onto anything metal, making them very versatile. Matter of fact, I'm using one to light this thing right now. Anyways, usually run about 30 bucks. Harbor Freight has them on sale now for $19.95. In stores only at the moment, but by the end of March, they'll be on sale. By the end of March, or I'm sorry, March 25th or so, we're supposed to be online with them. So, very nice light. I would suggest them. They're great for working on vehicles. Put these, give me a second here and I'll show you. Nice thing is you can hook it to any part of the car, wherever you need to. Point the light anywhere you need to go with it. I use it like this a lot for bench work. Heavy pair of pliers or something. Put it on there, use the light. Charging, it comes with this cable. And again, I believe that is either a mini USB or a micro USB, I'm not sure. One with a flat top and a curved mouth. You plug them in here. You'll get a red light. When it turns green, it's fully charged. They're not good to leave on the charger. This isn't a smart charger, so it won't quit putting voltage to the charge. So take it off charge once it's green. Literature says about every 90 days you need to charge them, recharge them. They should be good until then. So great for putting in a vehicle for emergency roadside. Great for power outages.